Hello everyone! In this video I'll be showing you how to host Deepseek locally, okay? I've shown how to host other models before, but let's specifically look at Deepseek. Deepseek has two models, one with 8 billion parameters for less powerful computers. Look, I found the requirements here, okay? We have the R1 distillquent with 7 billion parameters requiring 16 GB of RAM. We have the R1 distillquent 1.5 billion, okay? With 1.5 billion parameters needing 3.5 GB of RAM, okay? Then we have other massive ones like 671 billion parameters, which tells us what we'd need, right? A multi-GPU NVIDIA setup, etc. Well, let's assume you want a simpler model. I think they're all obtained the same way, okay? In case you're using this for N8N, I honestly have to tell you that if you have a massive server for N8N with 670 billion parameters for Deepseek, well, congratulations, because it means things are going very well for you. So let's see how it's done. We simply go here, okay? In N8N, we'll add a when chat message received trigger node. Basically, when we receive a message, we attribute it to an AI agent. And here, what we'll be doing is adding a model. This model will be the Ollama chat model. As you can see, it's already linked to my Ollama account. It usually links automatically, okay? As you can see, click edit, and it shows base, URL, localhost, and that's it, okay? I mean, it's set up automatically, and from here we can select the model. As you can see, I have GMA 3, well, 3 billion, 4 billion, and the 20 billion GPT, which I've never used because, well, I can't. So how can we do it? Well, we simply put Deepseek here, okay? And there we have it, alright? The 8 billion one. I don't know if searching for Quent we can find a smaller one there. It doesn't seem so, okay? So here, from here, it looks like we have the Deepseek R1 and the 671 billion for the cloud. You should have the Ollama program, okay? It's important that this program runs in the background, so depending on the computer you have, you might not be too interested. So keep that in mind. In my settings, I have expose Ollama to network, and here we have the context and so on, okay? So that's about it. Now we go to Ollama and click on open file location. It'll take us here. We now head to the Ollama folder itself. We do the same thing again, okay? Right click, open file location, and here we should have the models. Look, it's here. If we search for user and name.ollama, we have it here in models, and that's where we'll find the model. Look, GMA 3, 1 billion and 4 billion, and the GPTOS of 20 billion, which we're going to remove. This is just the registry, okay? Now we go here to blobs, and there we'd have the models, which I assume is this big one here, even if it's not labeled. So that's it, it's that simple. I hope you got it.